I've been in the restaurant industry for over 30 years, basically designed to work my way through college while I was going to school for finance. I started off as a dishwasher, line cook, busboy, and fortunately came across a company that I was able to start off as a server, work my way up through general manager within a 3-year run, and then got promoted as I graduated with my second degree in finance to the finance department for the restaurant company. This Rainforest Cafe in downtown Disney area was designed after a ancient Mayan temple. So there's several different designs for all of the Rainforest Cafe. This one very unique in its structure, as well as with this location, it's also the busiest restaurant in the state of California. So fortunately for us, we've got a huge commitment to food quality, guest service, excellent guest service, and then the show, which is all of the animatronics coming to life and all of the beautiful canopy and rainforest themed restaurant that we offer. We began the Restaurant Council through the Chamber of Commerce for the City of Anaheim over this last year. While that was formed, basically it was formed to help increase business to the restaurants in the City of Anaheim and traffic, as well as to educate our operating businesses in the restaurant area to guide them through some of the legislation, some of the changes that would be happening in the restaurant business, and several other areas that affect us as operators in the City of Anaheim and the state of California. We also partake in the Workforce Investment Board. We've been selected and appointed to that, and it's extremely important to help build and create more jobs in the city of Anaheim and get people back to work. We've recently been part of the Chamber's golf tournament. We were able to sponsor a hole and serve some of our great ahi salad out there at the golf course, and seemed to be a great, refreshing dish for all of the golfers to enjoy.